Hey guys, this is Xavier with Notebooks.com. I'm taking a look at the new HP Elitebook line. On the right we have the new HP Elitebook 8460p, and on the left we have the 8440p from last year. Now at first glance they might look like both business notebooks, but once you get a little bit closer you can see some major improvements. The old HP Elitebook had a black keyboard that with the keys right next to each other. There's also a bunch of contrast between the palm rest and the keyboard. On the new one you'll see it's much cleaner. It's all metal, has an island style keyboard, and a lot of users prefer that. Another thing that I like a lot about this new notebook is the touchpad area is much bigger. Let's take a look at my hands on this touchpad, on the new Elitebook, and on the old one. You can see that it probably has about double the area. You also see that the left and right clickers are much wider on the new one. Here you can see it's about 4 fingers wide on the old model, and on the new one it's my entire hand can fit. This is really important because these touchpads are multi-touch. You can do some gestures and you need some extra square inches to do that. Another nice thing about it is they've cleaned up the area under the hinge. As you can see, it's all metal. There's no clutter up here. You just have 3 quick access buttons here. This one will turn your wireless on and off, for example. This one goes to quick web. And over here you have these, which are nice. There's more of them, but a lot of users don't know what the heck they do, and some people find all this light, these LEDs, kind of annoying and cluttered. One thing I really do like about this is a new bezel design. On the old model you'll see it's over 1 inch tall above the LCD. Means that when you look straight on, it's kind of funny, you kind of have to look downwards. It feels odd for some users that are used to other notebooks. Here you'll see that the bezel is even on both the top and the bottom. Going over a couple other differences, which are minor in design, but do make a difference, is that you'll notice the fingerprint reader on the old model was kind of towards the bottom of the palm rest. On the new model, they moved it up so you don't get accidental swipes. You don't want the little messages popping up by accident when you're using your notebook. Go ahead and close this. You'll see on the old Elitebooks, we have two hinges that are kind of small and they're square. On the new one, you have this nice round hinge design that goes all the way across. It's pretty seamless. We actually have one that's taken apart here. And that's a really nice feature. The bottom of the Elitebooks are also different. On the old model, you'll see that we have a sticker for the Microsoft Windows authentication sticker. You also have a lot of screws everywhere. You have different areas where you have to unscrew if you want to swap out the hard drive, if you want to swap out the memory, or swap out the wireless modules. You have to use screwdrivers to get in there. That just means there's more downtime if you have to repair your notebook. On the other hand, the new Elitebooks are really nice. You just have a latch here. You go ahead and click this open, and you're able to just slide off the entire base. You have instant access to the RAM, to the wireless, to the hard drive. You can just go in here, and with 3 screws you can swap out your hard drive. Very easy to clean this notebook, very easy to maintain, especially if you're an IT person, you're responsible for hundreds or thousands of these units. The new Elitebook also has a cleaner profile. On the sides you can see that the ports and plugs are recessed, and it's just a smoother look and feel all around.